Welcome back to Techno Trend Zone. Today's video is something truly special. We are diving deep into one of the most talked about rumored cameras in the professional world, the Canon EOS R4. This is not just a simple leak discussion. This is a full breakdown of what this camera could mean for photographers, filmmakers, and hybrid creators around the world. If the rumors are even close to being true, this camera could completely reshape Canon's mirrorless strategy and possibly redefine what we expect from a professional hybrid body in 2026 and beyond. In this detailed video, we will analyze where the Canon EOS R4 is expected to sit in Canon's lineup, especially between the powerful Canon EOS R5 and the speed-focused Canon EOS R3. We will explain why this missing R4 position has always felt intentional and how Canon may be preparing something that combines extreme resolution with professional-level speed. We will break down the rumored 45 to 60 megapixel full-frame stacked sensor and explain in simple terms what stacked technology means for real-world performance. Faster readout speeds, reduced rolling shutter, improved dynamic range, and high burst shooting at serious megapixel counts. This is the balance creators have been waiting for. We will also explore expected performance upgrades such as advanced processing power, possibly dual DIGIC processors, deeper buffers, and improved workflow efficiency. Speed is not just about frames per second. It is about how quickly the camera reacts, how long it can sustain burst shooting, and how smoothly it handles massive files. If Canon delivers powerful processing inside the Canon EOS R4, professionals could experience a new level of reliability and confidence during demanding shoots. From sports and wildlife to fashion and commercial photography, this camera could handle it all without compromise. Autofocus will be another major focus of this video. Canon has already proven its strength in AI-based subject detection and intelligent tracking. We will discuss how the R4 could inherit advanced eye detection, animal tracking, and improved low-light focusing performance. Imagine capturing fast-moving subjects at 50 megapixels with perfect focus accuracy. That combination alone could make this camera a top choice for wedding photographers, wildlife shooters, and action specialists. And of course, we will go deep into video capabilities. Internal 8K recording, high frame rate 4K at 120 frames per second, 10-bit internal recording, better heat management, and improved in-body image stabilization. If Canon corrects past overheating limitations and strengthens thermal design, the R4 could become a serious filmmaking machine. Hybrid creators would finally get one body that handles both photography and cinema-level video without compromise. So in this video, we are not just discussing rumors. We are analyzing the future direction of Canon's professional mirrorless system. Stay with Techno Trend Zone as we break down every major detail, every expected feature, and every possibility surrounding the Canon EOS R4. This could be the camera that changes everything.